that move?
Yeah, it sounded like it came towards you, wasn't it?
You heard that, wasn't it? So the second noise was moving. The first noise I knew was a move.
The first noise was the car.
If you just touch one of these two objects to make that pop noise, can you do that again?